Hey guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the VFC M16A2 Carbine, which is a licensed replica of the Colt Model 727. Did VFC do it right? Let's find out. A stock replica should weigh around 4 pounds and 10 ounces, or 2.1 kilograms. The upper and lower are made out of metal, probably a die-cast aluminum alloy. The CAR-15 handguard is made out of nylon polymer. It feels nice and looks authentic. The direct impingement system is replicated well. Out of the box, it does not come with this grip. It comes with the traditional A2. The nylon CAR-15 stock is quite nice. It feels solid and the texture is grippy. There are 4 positions of length adjustments. The A2 rear sights are adjustable and replicated well. The front side post is the same way. The controls are done well, although the finish should probably be more parkerized. There are traditional sling points on the stock in front. The finish looks great, but it looks grainy and glittery under the sun. Let's see how well the finish stands up against a flathead. As typical with VFCs, it scratches pretty easily. The engravings are replicated very well. There may be some markings on the outer barrel which I don't have anymore. The stock outer barrel is 14.5 inches long with a steel A2 birdcage flash hider. There are 14mm negative threadings underneath for any muzzle devices. Overall, the externals are done well. Other than the slight wobble in the stock, which can be fixed, the rest of the replica is solid. To disassemble for repairs and maintenance, push out these 2 receiver pins. Now the bolt and charging handle can come out. Internally, this is the VFC V3 AR system, with everything in the fire control group being made out of steel, with the exception being the trigger. The bolt carrier is made out of zinc alloy, and there's no end pass. I am not the first owner of this replica, but after 2,000 rounds with me, the internal still looks great, and there isn't any weird wear. To get to the hop-up, the handguard has to be removed. Then you can adjust it at this wheel. Quick tip, for easy hop adjustments during a game, you can get a cheap spare handguard and cut out a window on the bottom handguard. To get to the hop-up, first, remove the handguard and flash hider. Then punch out the gas tube roll pin. And then the 2 pins of the front side posts. Now the front side post, handguard retainer, and gas tube can come out. Now we've come to the hard part. Removing the delta ring barrel nut. You will need an AR wrench and a lot of heat. Enough to slightly burn the adjustment wheel. Once that is off, the outer barrel and hop-up can come out. Now to get into the hop-up, remove the adjustment wheel and the chamber. Then remove 2 screws. Now the hop-up shell can be pried out of the retainer. From there, everything is now accessible. The stock inner barrel's length is 275mm long, and it has a standard VFC blue bucking. This replica can take standard gas blowback spec upgrades. The only common issue that this system has is the occasional hit or miss accuracy. If you encounter it, I have an extensive video on dealing with this problem. Superloop PTFE should be used for smoother operation and to lessen wear. This replica comes with the M16A2 Stanag, which weighs 360 grams empty and holds 30 BBs. These are the newer design with the improved mag hatch surface. Additionally, it has a dry firing switch as well. This replica can also use any VFC M4 magazine. The manual of arms are the same as any AR, with the magazine release only on the right side of this one, charging handle in the back with a smooth bolt travel, reliable bolt catch and release. The stock selector is pretty good, it's tight, and it clicks into positions well. The trigger is very nice, it has no take-up with a very noticeable wall. It also resets with a noticeable click. The dust cover works as intended, and the forward exist is mock. The gas efficiency is excellent. At 70 Fahrenheit and a full gas fill, the replica was able to fire off 178 shots before failing to lock back. This number of shots can increase more or less depending on conditions. Let's see how the replica performs at various temperatures. Due to the light weight, the recoil is amazing. Even with the stock zinc bolt, the replica kicks violently while also being super snappy. Here's the recoil with a Crusader steel bolt. Here are some comparisons for reference. With .32s, their accuracy is pretty good. I did shoot a little high for some shots, since I couldn't zero the optic at all, but the groupings are consistent all around. With .2s, replica is averaging at 346 FPS, or 1.1 joules. Even if it was outdoors, my ears would always muffle while using this replica, if I wasn't wearing any ear pro. Make sure you wear your ear pro while using any VFC AR. Let's start with the pros. It has very good looking externals, mostly steel internals, great gas efficiency, a really good recoil impulse. It's based on the VFC V3 AR system, and it can take many real steel parts. Now the cons. The paint finish is fragile, There's no end pass, the accuracy could be hit or miss out of the box, and it must be imported if you're in the US. So, is the VFC M16A2 Carbine worth it? If you're looking for a solid, reliable replica with great gas efficiency and the classic Colt 727 look, this is one of the best out there. The recoil is strong, the internals hold up well, and the VFC V3 system gives you plenty of room for upgrades and tuning. However, it's not perfect. The paint finish is easily scratched, there's no end pass out of the box, and the accuracy may need some tweaking. Plus, if you're in the US, you will need to import one to get it. With that being said, this is probably the best option in this price range. If you found this video to be helpful, leave a like, comment your thoughts or question below, and consider subscribing if you like my content. Thanks for watching.